guys, welcome back to my channel. I am your host here, Gigi Face, and guys, I would love for you to go ahead, grab a snack, grab your beverage of choice, sit back and relax. I'm going to show you how to create this floating heart just by using something you may have around your home. Yes, it's a clothes hanger. I am going to show you how to take this clothes hanger, form it into the shape of a heart, and then add whatever you would like to cover it with. I chose to use the tinsel garland and then just added a little bow, but you can get as fancy as you want or as laid back or whatever style or design you choose to. Now this is just a regular clothes hanger, and what you want to do is you want to start to pull and you want to focus on this end piece here. This is the piece that is going to help you get that shape of the heart. If you get this part here correct, and then you just start to pull and shape as you go. And this is when you have to use your muscles, your hand strength. You know, sometimes you can get some hangers that are a little more forgiving than others. This is one that I found in my husband's closet. I don't use the wire hangers, but my husband loves them so. And so I've got that little V shape going on here. And then I am going to fold this under, and as you can see, the heart is starting to form. So we're going to bring it in a little bit more. And what you want is that curve of that hoop to kind of meet your V at the bottom here. You see how that is already forming a heart. But if you want it to look a little bit more informed, so that you can play around with it, get creative, and just mold as you go. Guys, I'm actually doing this as I am on my way out the door to work, just to show you how easy it is to create this. And then you can decorate it on your lunch break or any other break that you may get. But I just wanted to share with you guys how easy this is to do, and just by using what you have around your home. Now, of course, you could probably buy these at the wreath, heart-shaped wreath at the dollar store. They are $1.25 now. My store didn't have any. I checked before they put out their Valentines. They were just barely putting it out. They didn't have any out. And then I waited a few days later, went back, and they didn't have any at all. So just my luck. You know, a lot of things about finding things is being at the right place at the right time. But you see how this is taking shape just by pulling and bending. Now you will see in the video a little bit further on, my husband will be helping me to bring shape to one, because I've had some issues with my wrist and my hand, so you'll see him jump in to help. But guys, this is pretty much as it is, and you can just push it up to make it a lot bigger. You can bring it down to make it a lot slimmer. Just however you want to play with it to create your wreath. And I thought about making one using yarn, so I don't know if I will actually have the time to do that, but this is the shape, and I will go in and show you guys how to decorate it. Okay? All right. Again, guys, if you're new to my channel, I welcome you, and I thank you so much for stopping by. If you would like to be a part of this family, where I just love being creative and just love styling my home, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you are always notified of any and all up and coming videos that are created on this channel. We are growing, we are on the move, and I want to say thanks to all of you that continue to show me so much love and support. I'm your host, You Are Styling with Gigi Face, and keep watching as I continue to share with you how I create. So guys, again, this process is just wrapping the tinsel around the mold of the heart shape. And as I wrap, I pull it down just so I can get a tighter fit. So all you're doing is wrapping and pulling and wrapping and pulling till you get to a place of finish.
I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic, but fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely, and love me, and love me. I can be funny, I can be lovely, I can be what you dream of. But I've been patient and I'm sick of waiting. Maybe I just won't find love. Every time I think I met the right guy, then it turns into ashes. 'Cause fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be so perfect, but it will be worth it if you're true to who you are. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely, and love me, yeah, yeah. Mama said, you better stay classy. Mama said, you better be happy. So love me like my biggest fan. Just love me the way no one can. Rediscover happiness, be all that I can be. More freedom, a little less lonely, and love me. You know I've got to love, and love I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire.